guys, I'm going to show you how you can install CISCO Packet version 8.2.1 in a simple way and easy. So just click on your file explorer and navigate where you have stored your software. So this is CISCO Packet Tracer. So it is compressed. So I am the first way is to extract the folder. So click on it, go to WinRAR and choose for extract here, and the insert password to extract is 123, and then click OK. So the CISCO Packet 8.2.1 has been extracted. Open the folder, and we have two versions, 64-bit and 32-bit. I will prefer 64-bit because my operating system is 64-bit. So, and here we have Clark folder, which will remove the login window or license for the license requirement for this software. So the first, open Clark folder and open this file called readme file. This file helps you to know how you will proceed with the installation, or know how your installation will be successful. So open this readme file and read the instruction. The instruction given is I will copy-clack the file to this location in my Windows Explorer. It is the local disk C, program files, CISCO Packet folder /bin. So I will copy clack the file into this folder called the bin, located in CISCO Packet 8.2.1. So and then just we will close the login window. So you have to go back and install this application or this setup file. Just click on this file, run as administrator, click yes, and just wait for the prompt. So this is the license agreement. You have to click on I accept the agreement, click on next, and you have to select destination location to install, click next, and then start menu folder will be called the CISCO Packet Tracer. Click also on next. You can also choose to tick if you want to create a desktop shortcut or not, but I want it. Click on next, then click on install button. Here you just wait a moment. Just wait a bit while the application is installing. So after the application has completed installing, they are asking us to launch the CISCO Packet. But remember, if you launch this application without a license, it will ask you to log in with licensed credentials. So untick this box and click on finish, and then as you have instructed, open this Clark folder. Click click, then open, and copy this character file packet tracer. Click on it, click copy, and then come on click on this PC on the left side, open this local disk C. You have to open it, open this folder, program files, in the CISCO Packet tracer folder. Open also this bin, and then in here you can paste your cracked file. Click on an empty space and then choose paste. So they will ask you to replace the file in the destination, because the destination file already there is a file already named packtracer.x. So you have to click on replace file in destination, then click continue, and then close this window, and then open your application, and there is no login window that will be displayed after cracking the application. Click on yes, and wait for the application to open. Yes, so you can see that the application is working very well. There is no login window that they are asking me to insert your license credentials. So thank you guys for the watching. Remember to subscribe, share, comment,